Yeah. What's up? They have an outside staircase. So it's a raised home with underneath parking, but no, you have to run out. I literally I didn't have an umbrella. I had a big old beach towel, and I ran up the stairs with a beach towel over me and walked in and said, "Hey, you like my umbrella?" And they were laughing. I'm like, I've never done this before. If it's in your schedule, you're going to do it, right? If it's not in your schedule, it doesn't exist.
Right.
So, and Ryan and I kind of talked about this a little bit. So when you're working, you want to fully work, but when you're at the beach or the pool or just hanging out, you want to be fully there also. And I mean, I'm preaching to myself right now because this happens all the time to me. Listen to this. This is what Jim Rohn said. In summer, when it was beautiful outside, I'd be in my office feeling guilty that I wasn't taking my family to the beach. Then when I finally took my family to the beach, I sat on the beach thinking about the office. And I think we can all relate to that. He said, I wasn't any good at the office or the beach. And so he had to learn that when you're at the office or you're at work or you're with Byatt, whatever, be fully there. And then when you're at the office, don't be thinking about, when you're at the office, be fully at the office. Don't be thinking about the beach. When you're at the beach, be fully at the beach. And you can't do this unless you fully already scheduled it. And I think if you've scheduled it, then there's the guilt goes away. I mean, I feel this all the time.
All right, so we're heading to Barefoot. I have a client that is coming into town tomorrow, and they've decided strictly on Barefoot properties. They've got a few that are on their favorites list, and then some that they were not real sure about. So I'm going to preview them now and kind of see what I think and see if we're going to add them to our list for tomorrow. So this is a third floor unit here at Cypress Bend. A lot of people don't like third floor units so much, you know, whether it's all the stairs or this or that, but one of the benefits of having a third floor is the vaulted ceilings. Makes you feel like the room is bigger. You know, you don't feel so claustrophobic with the vaulted ceiling, so definitely a good trade-off for having the third floor.
Writing up an offer for Susan because she's stuck.
Where is she stuck?
She's stuck at the airport. Her flight got canceled. So, in Niagara Falls.
Slowly I turn. But that's awfully nice that you're helping Susan because she's stuck at the airport.
Yeah, I'm cool like that.
Yeah, you are.
He would like to make an offer, and I've got the terms written out, and just do it verbally to see if we're anywhere near close on this thing. And so, and I'm driving, but I've got it in my head here. So we're going to 7324 Guinevere Circle in the Camelot section of Myrtle Beach Golf and Yacht, where I'm meeting a past client, and they've got a home to sell, and so I'm looking forward to seeing them. We sold a condo for them up in Tidewater, and then there's a house here in Myrtle Beach Golf and Yacht. Beautiful. Man, those papers. One of the cool things about this house is it's got ceramic tile, the whole entry, the kitchen, the living, and plantation shutters throughout. Really shows nicely. It really does. Boy, that's a nice house too.
Oh yeah,
That thing's
super clean.
It's such in good condition. Yeah.
Shutters make such a difference.
Yeah. That's